Very good evening all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Wealth Management Private Limited. And every day we are watching out after the market closing, that is post-market analysis, how the market was run today likewise. The same thing today we are going to discuss in this session about the weekly contract, how it was performed. So the weekly contract, we have expected that good volatility movement in the morning itself. I have told we can expect a good volatility in the Nifty and Bank Nifty movement. The same thing has happened because the morning we have found that around 38 to 40 points of gap down open was done, and another thing, it went up to the level of 17,000, 956, 960 level went up, then it came to the level of 17,858. If you see about the Nifty Future, yesterday's close was around 17,974. From there today it was open around 48 points to 30 points of gap down open we have seen. And after that the movement was more volatile. Volatile in the sense, the one sharp upper we have seen and also the downward we have seen, and after the European market start, then again the upward have started, and today the 18,000 have reached today in Nifty Futures. And also if you see about the Bank Nifty Future, the same thing was happened, around 120 to 114 points of gap down we have seen. After that the market was came to the down the level of 39,330 level, around 90 points from the opening it came down, 60 points, 90 points from the opening, 60 points from the opening it came down. From there it came up to the level of 39,783 level, around 400 points variation we have seen from the lower level. So this is the movement we are seeing in the futures level. But today is a weekly contract closing day, so the options movement is very good and good enough we can expect. But morning to till afternoon we have seen that the option writers would have made good profits. After that the call option moved towards the bullish trend. So any news are there for today. If you see update on energy sector, there could be a reduction in windfall tax in 2 to 3 days we are expecting. So GMDC company to strengthen its lignite production, company is saying that around 8.5 million tons of lignite it's produced by last year, and this year they are expecting to produce around 10 million tons. So this is the GMDC company news. And also the Dilip Bullion wins a large order worth of around 1,400 crores. So these are the thing. And Tata Motors, if you see, Tata Motors wins an order of 921 electric buses from Bangalore Metropolitan Transport Corporation, and earlier within 30 days they have got an order of 3,600 electric buses. So this is a good news for Tata Motors. And Datamatics wins a large order from Access Fares. This, and Russia may offer the cheaper loan to the oil and gas production companies. So this is a news for today. And we will see about the support and resistance level what we have predicted today and how the market person. So likewise, so I will share my screen now. Yes. In the morning, we are told that 17,921 is a support. So if 17,921 is broken, then we can expect the level to 17,897 to 17,858 level we can expect. Likewise, we have discussed. And also the upper line we have discussed that the resistance is around 17,983. From there it can be movable to 18,021 to 18,045 level. So we will see in chart how it was performed today. So I am sharing my screen for Nifty Futures, and I will show you 15 minutes candle of today's chart. Yes, this is the Nifty Futures chart of today's. It was opened around 17,936. From there it went up to the high of 17,947 and the low level of 17,890. And the next 15 minutes candle itself, it was broken there low. First candle is low, around 17,883 is the low. So whenever I have told that 883 was broken, then we can expect to 17,850 to 860 level. So here you will see 17,858 have reached at around 12 o'clock. So this is the thing. From the support level. Earlier I have told you 17,858.80 is a support. So here it is turning from the base level of 17,858.85. It was perfectly taken as support over here, and it went up to the level of high around 18,004. So nearly 140 points, 142 points we have. The Nifty future have moved upside within 3 hours. So after the closing, this for example from 12:30 to 1 o'clock, it was moved upside to the level of 18,004. It was reached around 3 o'clock to 3:15 to 3:30 level. So this is the movement we have seen in Nifty future. The same movement we are seeing in the Bank Nifty future. I will show you the 15 minutes candlestick chart. Yes, this is the Bank Nifty futures chart. Today from the morning it was a bullish trend. I have told you, compared to Nifty, the Bank Nifty chart is very bullish. Yes, this opening 39,399 is the open, and the low is around 39,350. From there it went up to the level of 39,678 within 10 o'clock. Around 45 minutes of time it went up to the level of around 200 to 300 points variation, 250 to 300 points variation we have seen in Bank Nifty futures. After 10 o'clock it started to the bearish trend towards the level of 39,330. Around another 350 points it gone, the 340 points it gone downside, and after that the bullish trend has shown around 39,783 is a high made today. So this is the futures chart we are seeing. Wherever the support have taken, this support we have already mentioned you in the morning session itself. So according to this, the option movement have came. If you are seeing like 17,900 call, I have already told you, whenever you are an option trader, you should trade on in the money or at the money. We should avoid out of the money because of the price changes and the time value differentiation. So we can, if here we are considering 17,900 call option. Yes, I will show you the 17,900 call option chart. Just a minute. Yes, here you see 17,900 call option was opened around 69, and the low made is around 11.10. From 11.10 it went up to the high level of 80, around 70 points variation. For example, I am saying, if I am taking a risk factor on this 17,900 call at 15 rupees or 20 rupees, my investment would be around 1,000 rupees. If I am taking the risk of 1,000 rupees, I would have made profit of around 4,000 rupees, that is 3,000 rupees. I would have made profit whenever it was reached around 80 rupees. So this is the movement we can expect in the option trade on a weekly expiry, and the same thing was happened in Bank Nifty. If you ask me, yes, sure, I will be showing that 39,500 call option. 39,500 call option was opened around 114 today. At this yesterday's close is around 151, and today we have seen in the gap down formation of Bank Nifty future. So it was opened around 114, and the low made is around 19 rupees. You trust me, 19 rupees. If you are considering as 20 rupees, our investment would be of 500 rupees in this strike price. If I am investing on 500 rupees in this strike price, I am taking that 500 rupees as a risk. My profit would be on, I can sell it off, the high is 196 rupees. 196 in the sense around 200 rupees. That is 500 rupees buying price. I am taking the risk of 500 rupees. I would have made a profit of 4,000 rupees as a profit itself, I am saying. So this all the option movement we are getting in the weekly expiry. So we need to concentrate on the option movement in weekly expiry. First of all, you go on a paper trade about your analysis with the trend analysis, then you can go with the live trade after your confidential level increases. So any other newses if you see about yes, index movement, that is what are all the indices have gone good today. If you see about yes, sector wise movement, I will show you. Sector wise movement, I am saying you, this Nifty Bank is around 0.49% positive, and also financial services around 0.32% positive, and FMCG is around 0.57% positive. Then metal sector is around 0.92% positive, and reality is a good thing, 1.55% positive today. So the negative sector, if you are seeing about the negative sector, Nifty IT from the morning itself it was a downside, minus 0.79% Nifty IT, then Pharma is around minus 0.34%, then PSU Bank is around minus 0.23%, and auto sector is around minus 0.47%. These are the sector wise movement, and top gainers today, if you see, Kotak Bank is around 3.9% positive, and L&T is around 2.06% positive, and Tata Consumer Products is around 1.72% positive. Then Ultra Cement Companies is 1.5% positive, then IndusInd Bank 1.5% positive. These are the top gainers, and top losers of today's movement is that Dr. Reddy is around minus 2.13%, and UPL minus 2.04% to 1.32%. These are the top gainers list, and most active stocks we found today is that ICICI Bank is around 0.33% positive, then Reliance and Bharati Airtel is around 0.18% and 1.39% positive, then Infy is around minus 1.32%, and Axis Bank is around minus 1.85%. These are all the most active stocks we are finding today. Then the world market, that is European market, was started in a positive way. So even in today, if the US market was started on a good positive thing, then Asian market tomorrow morning is opening as a positive, and SGX Nifty is supporting as with a positive opening, then our market we can find out the gap up opening. It can be a gap up opening, otherwise we can expect a little bit a gap down. So I am expecting tomorrow the gap up opening may come according to the Asian market. So this is for your reference, and these levels are shared for your trading purpose, for your knowledge and awareness purpose. If you want to trade with this support and resistance level, you need to discuss with your wealth managers or investment advisor, or else you can comment on a comment box. We will be reward on your comment. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day.